Hello children! Today we are learning ABCD alphabets and colors name. Let's start. Purple color, orange color, pink color, sky blue color, red color, green color, and yellow color. Very good. Let's tracing letter A. A for avocado. A for avocado. Let's tracing letter B. Letter B. B for burger. B for burger. Letter C. Letter C. C for candle. C for candle. Letter D. Letter D. D for dinosaur. Letter E. Letter E. Dear children and parents, watch the full video and subscribe my channel. E. E for egg. E for egg. Excellent. Letter F. Letter F. F for frog. F for frog. Letter G. Letter G. G for girl. G for girl. Letter H. Letter H. H. H for human. H for human. Letter I. Letter I. I for igloo. I for igloo. Letter J. Letter J. Letter J. J for jug. J for jug. Outstanding. Letter K. Letter K. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. Letter L. Letter L. L for lemon. L for lemon. Letter M. Letter M. M for mango. M for mango. N. Letter N. N for nose. N for nose. Well done. Letter O. Letter O. O for octopus. O for octopus.
Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again.
Letter P. Letter P. P for pilot. P for pilot. Letter Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Letter Q.
Humpty Dumpty sat on
Letter R. Letter R.
all the king's horses and all the king's men.
R for rose. R for rose. Letter S. Letter S.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great
S for sun.
horses and
S for sun.
put Humpty together again.
Good job. Letter T. Letter T. T for turtle. T for turtle. Letter U. Letter U.
He sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall.
U for umbrella.
All the king's
U for umbrella. Letter V. Letter V. V for van. V for van. Letter W. Letter W. W for window. W for window. Very good.
Humpty Dumpty
Letter X. Letter X.
had a great fall.
X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Letter Y. Letter Y. Y for yak. Y for yak.
Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses
Letter Z. Letter Z. Z for zip. Z for zip.